Here in western Pennsylvania, I tell you, y'all reckon when it rains, I'm telling you, it pours. So here we are again. I was out here in the garage tinkering. So I'll take you a little video. Ho, 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 ho. Don't get my feet wet. Calm down there, Mother Nature. You gotta open up a can of whoop ass on me. But it is pouring. I got a river running down my driveway. This video really ain't showing it. But anyway, what a rainstorm. I love it. There you can see it. Cool. It's raining pretty hard. But western PA, flash flooding, all kinds of stuff going down. River in my driveway. Y'all have a good night now. You hear? Come on back. Share and subscribe. Nobody told you they love you today? I love you. One more quick view. Look at that cloud mass. Wow, sorry. Get distracted on here, you know. That's our overhead cloud.